Looking to get shredded for the summer? No worries. Don't even need weights, just take one of these bad boys and... So the idea is to just step down slowly like this.
Post the video that made you go viral.
So I bought these chocolate chips the other day, and I realized that there was a recipe on the back. So I decided to make a giant cookie with it. And my God, do I know for a fact that this cookie is gonna be incredibly scrumdiddly-umptious, baby!
Hey, Lois. Hubba. Whoa, Lois, you put on a few, huh?
Well, I never.
That's all right, honey. I don't think he was the one anyway.
It's you.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Thank you.
When you struggling, but your homeboy got you.
These motherfuckers out here don't give a fuck about us. Trying to get this shit off and everything. Man, help me out.
What are you doing?
Rolling up.
How high are you?
Good, how are you?
And he was indeed high. It feels like I'm going insane, yeah. It's a thief in the night to come and grab you. It can creep up inside.
Jeff,
Yeah?
there's something looking at me.
You're probably just saying things.
Well, then who's that by the window?
What?
Oh jeez,
Who's that?
that's Richard.
Do you think he's mad they hit him with a helium tank?
Hey, Richard.
Your land will be guarded by majestic elk.
Wow, okay.
Breathtaking, cascading landscapes.
Holy, keep going.
And the nicest people on earth.
Fantastic. Well, thanks a lot, God, eh? Cheers.
That was awful nice of you, wasn't it?
Wait until she meets her neighbors.
Hurry up before your mom calls the parole officer. Oh my gosh.
Are you seriously filming this? Because we can get in a lot of trouble.
Well, yeah, I am.
Well, once we pass the perimeter, we can't go back.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Not to scare you, but we gotta make this quick because I'm on house arrest. Wild strawberry regular freeze.
Add another one.
Gotcha.
And y'all are funny as fuck. Oh my god, I love
They
you.
gave us free ones.
Thank you.
We might.
Go, go, go! Turn!
First time I've ever gotten pulled over was during the pandemic, and it was when lockdown was happening, so we had like really strict curfews. So I was supposed to go to work at 3 a.m. in the morning, and I was stopped by this police officer, and I got so scared because I didn't have a license. The cop asked me where the fuck I was going, and I was like, I'm going to work. How about you, Mr. Officer? Are you going to work too? And he fucking asked me where my accent was from, and I accidentally, like, stumbled back into my general American accent, so I said, the Philippines. And then he was like, excuse me? And then I said, the Philippines! The Philippines! You know, the Mexicans of Asia? The Filipinos.
Me! Hunter!
Jesse, no! Jesse, no!
The floor's eating me! No!
Jesse! Jesse! Jesse!
What is that?
It's a turtle.
What?
It's a turtle.
What are you?
Fruits have belly buttons!
But to make me act unwise.
It's a thankless job.
Tell my ex-wife I said hi. In hell. All of that morning wood. Didn't know where to put it. Unfortunate.
We found the G-string years ago. You don't know.
The power of Christ compels you to fucking die. Cure your holes, cause Jesus is coming. On the camera. Smile, fucking smile.
Okay, I think it's about done. Rick, cool.
For the love of fuck, Mother Miranda, please, you have to save me! No, you do not understand. This man thing went into my bathroom and licked all the bathwater out of the tub, and the bathwater is blood! No. You don't understand. I literally went and severed this man's hand off of his arm, and deadass looked me in the eye, and he dropped his pants, literally took his cock out, and combined his hand with his cock using some green shit he found, and... For the love of God, Mother Miranda, please help me! That's... Hey.
Passing sign? Suicide!
Make you look like a snack, right?
Stimmy snack.
Stimmy.
Can you come out and give me a minute? While I'm gay. I know that's silly. Come out to the car. Car, I'm gay.
Castaways. We are castaways. Ahoy there. Ahoy. We are castaways.
What in the world?
Oh my gosh.
Jake, just came off the barbecue.
Dad!
What?
Sweet.
Wait, let Batty buy a card.
It's a fucking lesbian.
The wine of it is crazy.
Did you get my Reese's Pieces?
Can you call him by the right name?
Yeah, Reese's Pieces.
No, it's Reese's Pieces.
It's Reese's Pieces.
No, it's Reese's Pieces.
It's Dad, if you don't give me my Reese's Pieces, I'm gonna cut your face off and show your face to your face.
Get me out in the street and you see me getting jumped. What are you gonna do?
Good for nothing fucking car. Oh shit. Dude, that dude's beating a cop. Let's go help him. What did he do? I tried to kill someone and he tried to arrest me. You tried to kill someone? It's kind of fucked up, man. Yeah, why are you still beating him? Dude, he's still a cop.
Casa! Why is Aaron being useless?
He went into a rage after transforming and knocked himself out. We can't get him to wake up or respond.
Really?
Armin!
I mean, seriously?
Yeah, Armin,
I couldn't do that if I tried! He had one fucking job to do, and he knocked himself out!
Armin, I literally do not have the time! Now use your books to unfuck the situation!
Yeah, alright!
Do you have any ideas?
I've got one! After all, pain is the greatest motivator.
Armin, what are you doing?
Shut the fuck up and let me do my shit!
Shit. Goddamn, what the fuck is in there? Did they cook the motherfucking chicken?
I think my mom bought a sex swing for my brother.
That is not what it's for.
It's
Stop. That is not what it's for.
You already know what's going on, dog. Hey, Mom made pancakes.
Nice titties. Mind if I,